Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful Sunday. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. This morning we were heading to the vet to get Ellie her second round of shots. So hooray on that. We're a couple more weeks closer to being able to go out and do things. So pretty stoked about that. But anyways, hope everybody's having a wonderful day, and let's get this journey started. Yo, what's up, guys? So we just are waiting outside the vet. Sarah had to go back in to go pee. Let's see. Ellie's good. Freddie was the good boy in there. Ellie, come here. There's Fred. Where's Ellie? Where are you at? But yeah, so now we're gonna head to Dutch Bros. There they go. There they are. But we're gonna head to Dutch Bros and get coffee and a Father's Day sticker. So yeah, see you guys in a bit.
Farted.
It's that good protein.
Can you just inhale? You're sick.
I'm not sick. We're not moving anywhere. Ellie. Ellie. Shout out to Bahama Bucks.
Ellie,
you already got one.
Stuff.
Ellie. There we go.
You gotta bite it, Goob. You gotta bite it.
It's like, what the heck? Wait, she's trying to... Shout out to Bahama Bucks for giving us the snowballs for the doggies.
You can take it. You can.
That is a beautiful woman and snow cone. What's up, guys? Just got back home from Sarah's parents' house celebrating Father's Day over there with her dad and her uncle. It was a wonderful day, super tired, but it was great celebrating. I called my dad and my grandpa earlier, wished them a happy Father's Day, miss them with all my heart, and can't wait to see them soon, but I think this is where we're going to end the vlog for the day. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you're still watching right now, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate all the love. And until tomorrow, remember, keep grinding, head up, keep going. Peace.
She's scary. She's so scary.
What's up, bro?
Look at her claws. Look at those scary claws.
Poop mouth. Fred, where are you? Freddie, family photo time.
She's like,
Need
Ellie's
a
like,
thumbnail,
this is
brother.
the family.
Fred,
Oh, big yawns.
Freddie.
Big yawns.
She's like, see
Boy,
ya.
Fred's got his head down.